Some things in my Wellbeing Tool Kit include breathing exercises. So when I'm feeling anxious, I'll just stop whatever I'm doing if I'm able to, and concentrate on my breathing, taking long deep breaths in and out. I sometimes try and focus on something, so maybe something I can see or something I can feel, and that usually helps with the anxiety. Something else in my Wellbeing Toolkit would be walking and getting outside. Sometimes if you've been cooped up all day and you've been feeling, I don't know, not yourself, getting outside can just help to bring a bit of clarity and just help ease your mind and sort of put you back maybe in a bit more of a positive mood, going for a walk, moving the body, getting some sun, getting some fresh air. Something else in my Wellbeing Toolkit is friends, if that can be one. I suppose if I know that I'm feeling not myself, I try and talk to my friends or my family about it, and that can help as well.